Taurus Daily Horoscope. Today's divine message. Taurus, today the universe slows down for you. Today is not about rushing. It is about remembering who you are. The energy surrounding you today is gentle, grounded, and deeply stabilizing, like standing barefoot on sacred earth after a long storm. If the past few days have felt mentally loud or emotionally heavy, today arrives as a soft reset. The universe is not pushing you forward aggressively. Instead, it is recentering you, reminding you that your power lies in consistency, patience, and inner calm. There is something important unfolding beneath the surface today. You may not see it clearly yet, but you will feel it. A subtle shift, a quiet sense that things are aligning again. Trust that feeling. Stability after uncertainty. Taurus, you thrive when your inner world feels secure. Recently, something, an expectation, a plan, a person, or even your own thoughts may have disrupted that sense of stability. Today begins the process of restoration. This is a day when the universe gently whispers, "You are safe to slow down." You may feel drawn to familiar routines, comforting spaces, or grounding activities. Listen to that instinct. It is your soul guiding you back into balance. The more you honor simplicity today, the more clarity you'll receive. A hidden blessing is working in your favor. Even if today feels quiet on the surface, spiritually it is powerful. There is a hidden blessing forming, one that rewards your patience rather than your urgency. You may notice delayed answers beginning to make sense, emotional tension easing without confrontation, a sense of relief without knowing exactly why. This is the universe rearranging things behind the scenes in your favor. Do not force outcomes today. Let them come to you. Love and emotional energy, gentle truths, not drama. In love and emotional matters, today is about emotional honesty without intensity. If you are in a relationship, this is a perfect day for soft conversations, reassurance, quiet closeness, understanding without words. There is healing available today, not through arguments or explanations, but through presence. Sometimes love deepens not when you fix something, but when you simply stay. If you are single, today helps you release emotional baggage you didn't realize you were carrying. You may suddenly understand why a past connection ended, or why a certain pattern kept repeating. This realization is freeing. Love energy today is calm, sincere, and grounded. Not dramatic, not rushed, but real.
Spiritual message. You are reclaiming your power quietly. Taurus, you do not awaken loudly, you awaken steadily. Today, your spiritual energy strengthens in subtle ways. You may feel more connected to your body, your breath, or the present moment. This is not a coincidence. Grounded signs like you receive divine guidance through physical sensations and intuition, not chaos. Pay attention to your body's signals, gut feelings, repeated thoughts that feel calm, not anxious. These are messages. A spiritual lesson today asks you to release the belief that power must be loud to be effective. Your power lies in being unshakable, not reactive. Money and work energy, small steps, big security. Financially and professionally, today favors practical decisions over emotional ones. This is an excellent day to review plans, organize finances, set realistic goals, say no to unnecessary pressure. You may not see immediate results today, but what you put into motion now will create long-term security. Taurus, your gift is building something that lasts, and today supports that gift strongly. If something feels financially uncomfortable today, it's not a sign of loss, it's a sign of realignment. Moonlight emotional healing. Let go of the weight you've been carrying. There is emotional weight you've grown used to carrying. Today offers you the chance to put it down. This could involve forgiving yourself, accepting that you did your best, releasing guilt that no longer serves you. You don't need closure from others today. You need peace within yourself, and the universe supports that fully. Signs and synchronicities to watch for. Today, your signs may come through repeated numbers, especially 4s and 6s, earth symbols, plants, stones, nature imagery, a sudden feeling of calm clarity. When these appear, pause. They are confirmations that you are aligned. Affirmation for Taurus today. Say this slowly, out loud or in your heart. I trust the pace of my life. Stability flows to me naturally. Repeat it when you feel uncertain. Final message for Taurus. Today does not ask you to change who you are. It asks you to honor who you are. The universe is not testing you. It is stabilizing you. You are moving towards something solid, lasting, and meaningful. Remain patient. Remain grounded. Remain open. Your path is steady, and that is your strength.